Welcome everyone to this exciting webinar session on Dynamics 365 Customer Service Insights and its impact on businesses' digital transformation. I'm your host, Angela Njuguna, and today we have a special guest with us, Dixon, a senior consultant with Software Dynamics, who has been deeply involved with Dynamics 365 Customer Insights for the past 3 years. So welcome, Dixon.
Thank you so much. I'm excited to be here.
Awesome. Before we dive in, let's get to know about Dixon's expertise and experience with Dynamics 365 Customer Service Insights. Dixon, please, could you share a bit about your background?
Yeah, of course. With passion for transforming customer service operations, I've been working with Software Dynamics and especially with the customer service insights for the past 3 years. As a senior consultant at Software Dynamics, I've had the privilege of helping several organizations successfully implement and leverage this powerful tool to help customers revolutionize their customer service and digital transformation efforts.
That's great, Dixon. And now let's uncover the wonders of Dynamics 365 Customer Service Insights. Could you tell our audience about some of its incredible benefits?
Absolutely. Dynamics 365 Customer Service Insights opens the doors to numerous benefits that can generally help an organization transform their customer service. And I would think some of these impactful ones are it helps a client to get powerful customer insights. And by providing a 360-degree view of your customers, this tool enables you to understand their needs. It also helps you to understand their preferences, their pain points, and it's like having superpower to anticipate what your customers truly want. I think another area is really to help you automate the insights. For example, you don't have to do manual analysis. So with Dynamics 365 for customer service insights, you can automate the process of generating insights. So you don't have to go through manual Excel files trying to understand what your customers need. So it can help you in saving a lot of time and resources, as well as decision making can easily tremendously be enhanced. We also look at some things like actionable insights. So when you look at the number of charts and numbers that people have to analyze manually, that can quite be a lot. So with this tool, it translates data into actionable insights, empowering you to make informed decisions, as well as elevate what we can say like the customer service game. You will be on a better level.
That sounds truly diverse and amazing. Now let's move on to our audience's burning questions. I can see one question from one of our audience. Maybe now this is the opportunity for people to tap into Dixon's wealth of knowledge. So don't hold back. Yeah. So the first question is, how exactly can Dynamics 365 Customer Service Insights drive businesses towards digital transformation?
Well, that's a great question. I get this question quite often, and Dynamics 365 for Customer Service Insights plays a very vital role in digital transformation in multiple ways. Maybe I can just mention a few. One of those areas is enabling an organization to create personalized customer experiences. And this is once you understand your customer, once you really get all this data about your customers, then you can be able to create those, what you can say, a personalized experience, that you give each of your customers a unique experience because you understand each customer better. Another area is when it comes to predictive analytics. So we are talking about harnessing the power of really these predictive analytics, and the business can now anticipate customer behavior. Now they can be able to come up with improved customer engagement, and really this plays a very strong role in customer retention strategies because you have these, you can be able to predict how your customers will be or what they will want in the near future. Another important aspect is, I can say, the customer journey mapping. Once you understand your customer, you know what they are likely to require in the coming days. So you're able now to come up with unique customer journeys that are just specific to each of your customers. You don't have like to offer or define your customer journeys, all of them to be the same. And because you have the data. Another area I think is also empowering your internal employees. And you see, when your employees have data about your customers, when they have all these insights about your customers, now they're empowered with the tools that they need to be able to make better decisions and even to engage these customers in a more productive way. So I think, yeah, that's what I would say. And maybe closing on that, I can also add about boosting efficiency, because here we are talking about streamlining and automating processes, improving efficiency significantly, and allowing businesses to serve their customers better. Of course, with all these insights, yes, we can say efficiency will definitely be improved.
Those are great examples. So it seems the possibilities when it comes to Dynamics 365 customer service insights seem endless. So I see that the questions keep coming. We also have another interesting question here from the audience. Can you share some best practices for using Dynamics 365 customer service insights?
Sure. When an organization plans to utilize and use Dynamics 365 customer insights for their customer for their customer management, I think there are some things that an organization needs to take into consideration. So the first thing I would say that an organization needs to start with the customer. So it all begins with understanding your customers. So you can't be able to really enhance or use this platform better if you really don't understand what your customers really require. So dive deep into their needs, or your customer needs, looking at their pain points. Then you have a clear picture of how Dynamics 365 customer insights can help you. And this can really also give you some insight of what kind of data that you really require from the platform. You also have to clean your data. So before you really dive into analysis, you really must ensure that the data is clean. You must ensure that your customer segmentation, your customer preferences, and all the things that your customers really will be buying, whether they're goods or services, they are clean, their conduct, so ensure that you don't have a duplicate information. Another thing is choosing the right tools. So Dynamics 365 for customer service insights offers a range of tools for data analysis. So you select the one that aligns with your specific goals and objectives. I also must say that some of these tools are industry specific. So you have to choose the tool that aligns better with your industry. There's also the aspect of ensuring that the person who is really analyzing these data also communicates these findings to ensure that the right people within your organization will be able to make the correct decisions. And these will ensure that customer service operations will benefit from all this great platform. So I think those are some of the best practices I would say an organization might take into consideration.
Excellent advice, Dixon. Applying these best practices will undoubtedly unlock the full potential of Dynamics 365 customer service insights. So thank you for sharing your expertise with us today. Thank you.
It's always a pleasure. I'm always thrilled to contribute to business success, and it's been using this incredible tool.
Unfortunately, that's all the time we have today. And thank you everyone for attending this engaging webinar on Dynamics 365 Customer Service Insights and its role. And also thank you for Dixon in helping us understand the role of Dynamics 365 Customer Service Insights and when it comes to digital transformation within businesses and companies. So that's a special thanks to Dixon. I guess until next time, we can let's keep exploring new possibilities and transforming your businesses with Dynamics 365 customer service insights. So stay tuned, everybody, for more exciting webinars ahead. Make sure to subscribe to our channel or follow our social media pages to get updates on our next sessions. Goodbye, everyone.